Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to install Typing Master on your Windows operating system. Typing Master helps you train and improve your typing speed and accuracy. Alright, let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge, so double click here, type Typing Master, unload. Do not click on anyone that says add, keep scrolling down. This is the official website, typingmaster.com. Click on it. And here we are. Click download now. It's downloading here for us. Download complete. We could run the setup from here. However, close this out. Click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads and double click Typing Master 11. That's for the setup. And just click Install. You can select Install for all users if you have a PC that has multiple users, or just install for me only. For right now, I'm going to do install for all users. I'm going to click yes. Let's close this out. Select your language and click OK. Next. The agreement, you want to accept it if you want to move forward. So accept and continue. Next. And it says yes, I want to speed up my typing with quick phrases. You could select that if you want to. We're going to leave it as at the default. And we're also going to leave this at the default. Click next, and then click install. Alright, here it is, and click finish. Alright, this is what Typing Master looks like. This is just basically the setup, and type your name and start typing. It created the desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it down here, just right click and click pin to text bar. Alright, that's all for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.